Russia has advanced significantly in the field of robotics in recent years, especially in the creation of military drones and humanoid robots. These technical developments could completely transform a number of industries, including military fighting, space exploration, and search and rescue. In today's video, we'll look at several Russian robots that were shown off to take on the US and other enemies. Stay with me to the very end. It promises to be an adventurous journey. So, here is the list of Russian robot army that will confront the United States. 1. Russian humanoid robot Fodor. The humanoid robot is one of the amazing inventions of Russian experts. Built to withstand harsh conditions and support space travel, Fodor can operate on its own or under human control with the use of a specialized control suit. Because of its adaptability, the robot can carry out tasks in a variety of settings. Fodor's main goal is to save lives in dangerous situations, such those confined in crumbling structures. Furthermore, the robot's array of skills is further expanded by its suitability for space missions. Its creation commenced in 2014, and its initial public presentation took place in 2016, exhibiting its capacity to tackle significant obstacles. When it was shown that Fodor could shoot with both hands, in addition to its other impressive features, sanctions were placed on the robot. Foreign firms stopped supplying vital parts like gears, sensors, engines, cameras, and computers as a result of this discovery. However, Fodor's creators have shown resilience and are switching to homegrown options for the robot's improvements. Notwithstanding the obstacles, Fodor keeps developing. To make sure that the developments in the robot's capabilities are not impeded, the engineers have redirected their attention to domestic alternatives for the supply of components. This dedication to advancement demonstrates Russia's will to overcome obstacles and maintain its leadership position in robotics technology. 2. Russian robot dog, armed with grenade launcher. Another interesting robotics innovation from Russia is a robot dog equipped with a grenade launcher. This robotic dog, created by the Russian company Intellect Machine, is an example of how artificial intelligence, robotics, and weapons may work together. It may be used for a variety of tasks due to its precise shooting powers and weapon transportation features. The remarkable similarity between the Russian robot dog and its Chinese equivalent, the Unveils Yushu technology dog, has sparked concerns, though. Allegations have been made that the Russian robot dog is a duplicate of the Chinese model due to the similarities. The dog's appearance is suspiciously similar to the Chinese robot that can be bought online. 3. Russian plans for Avatar robot. Insightful efforts are underway in Russia to build an avatar robot in the next 10 years. This robot, which is intended to replace soldiers in the battlefield, can be built in two different ways: non-anthropomorphically, which is quite different from human, or anthropomorphically, which is similar to human. The avatar robot is intended to have functioning abilities similar to those of humans, according to the developers. With the ability to operate cars, navigate difficult terrain, give first aid, and engage with human infrastructure on its own, the robot hopes to be a flexible instrument in a variety of situations. The avatar robot's ultimate objective is to perhaps replace actual soldiers in warfare. Although this is a bold proposal, there's a greater chance that other nations like the US or China will be the first in the world to use such innovative technologies. 4. Powerful Russian ground-based drone Uran-9. During the Army 2016 International Military Technical Forum, which took place in Russia in September 2016, Russian military equipment company JSC 766 UPTK showcased the multi-purpose unmanned ground combat vehicle known as Uran-9. The vehicle is intended to serve military, counterterrorism, and reconnaissance teams in urban settings by offering remote reconnaissance and fire support for a range of missions. With its array of weaponry and sensors, the robot will increase the infantry unit's combat effectiveness while providing the highest level of personnel safety. The subsidiary Rosoboronexport of Rostec Corporation declared in December 2015 that it would begin marketing the Uran-9 combat robot to foreign markets in 2016. 4 unmanned ground vehicles, a mobile command center, and a tractor for the Uran-9 robot complex robot transportation. The combat vehicle is built upon a tracked chassis that features a driving sprocket, an idler, and 6 road wheels. Its dimensions are 5.12 m x 2.53 mesh x 2.5 meter, with a curb weight of about 10,000 kilos. Depending on the requirements of the mission, the remotely operated turret on the Uran-9 robotic system can be used to equip various light and medium caliber weapons and missiles. With 2 on each side, the weapon system possesses 4 9M121 Ataka guided missile launchers designed to defeat enemy main battle tanks and armored objects. The 9M121 Ataka missile can penetrate armor up to 800 mm behind explosive reactive armor ERA and has a shooting range of 0.4 km to 6 km. 1 stabilized 30 mm 2A72 automatic cannon and a 7.62 mm coaxial machine gun from Kalashnikov PKT/PKTM are also installed in the turret to defend against ground-based light armored targets and low-flying aerial targets. 6 Shmel-M reactive flamethrowers with a 93 mm caliber rocket propulsion are also installed on the robot. 3 are located on either side of the turret. The Shmel-M can eliminate enemy soldiers and weapons behind field fortifications and shelters with a maximum shooting range of 1 kilometer. 4 Igla surface-to-air missiles, up to 6 9M133M Cornet-M anti-tank guided missiles, and 9 K-333 Verba man-portable air defense systems are among the weapon options available for the Uran-9 vehicle. Shell splinters and small weapons fire are not able to penetrate the armor of the autonomous ground combat vehicle Uran-9. The hull's steel armor plates provide defense of the suspension system of the car. 5. Armored robot Cernik for reconnaissance and guarding. The armored robot Cernik is another impressive example of a Russian robotic complex. Cernik has 3 control modes: manual, automatic, and direct control. It is intended for use in reconnaissance, patrolling, territory guarding, and object protection. Because of its adaptability, it can work in a variety of environments and on a broad range of jobs. Because of its replaceable combat modules, Cernik can be customized to fit the needs of various missions. If needed, the robot can be equipped with anti-aircraft missiles, a high-velocity 30mm cannon, grenade launchers, 7.62 and 12.7-meter machine guns, and Cornet anti-tank missiles. Because of this adaptability, Cernik is a very valuable and versatile weapon on the battlefield. 6-point combat robot NCTA with unified control system. A collection of robotic systems brought together under a single control system and reporting to a human operator is the combat robot NCTA. With this user-friendly control system, the operator can choose to be physically present on the front lines or operate the robot from a distance. Task execution can be efficiently carried out when operational modes are flexible. The NCTA is a robotic platform that is used for reconnaissance, fire control against hostile positions, and quick supply and ammo delivery to hotspots. Area maps and grids are fed into the robot's command post prior to the combat, giving it vital information for target elimination. Special forces may now complete missions with greater accuracy and efficiency thanks to NCTA, which speeds up operations. 7. Combat robot marker for reconnaissance and support. Russian robotics company Androidnaya Technica developed Marker, an anti-tank robotic unmanned ground vehicle, UGV, designed to conduct reconnaissance and eliminate adversary targets. The Russian research and development group Advanced Research Foundation hired Androidnaya Technica to create the Marker UGV. The platform's development work started in March 2018. Within the project framework, 5 autonomous robotic platforms, 3 on wheels and 2 on tracks were created. In August 2019, shooting tests for the Marker robotic platform were conducted at a central military district training ground in Chelyabinsk, Russia. The platform vanquished the targets in the testing and tracked them successfully on its own. There were 3 phases to the project's execution. In October 2019, the first stage's outcomes were showcased at the Magnitogorsk Robotic Systems and Complexes MIP-RSK test site. During the second phase, 2-wheeled platforms were assembled and the platform undercarriage was designed. With a weight of 3 tons, the Marker robotic platform is intended to provide autonomous movement, group control, communication, vision, and navigation. Its modular multispectral vision system, which processes data using neural network methods, provides its autonomous capabilities. The vehicle is capable of identifying a wide range of invaders, such as motor vehicles, unmanned aerial vehicles (UAVs), and unauthorized individuals. To counter incoming hostile UAVs, it employs suicide drones and electrical pulses. The UGV jams radio-electronic communications in order to interfere with and neutralize drone signals. These are the first motorists that are entirely robotic. The system's effective employment in the Special Military Action Zone has drawn positive comments. The zone set aside for special military operations is home to almost 60% of all Russian combat robots. The platforms are operated by a joystick. Russian military people learn how to use them quickly enough. In particular, an AI system in Crimea used information from radars, aircraft, and ground-based anti-aircraft systems during one practice. If you enjoyed this video, kindly hit the subscribe and like button for more. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you will be notified when we upload new videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.